Let's fix it. Open settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down, click graphic settings, and make sure the advanced graphic settings should be turned on, the hardware acceleration GPU schedule, and click Minecraft launcher and make sure GPU preference it depends on you. You can give high preference or let window decide, it depends on you. Or else power saving. The optimization of the Windows game should be in turn on mode. Make sure it, if it's not having means click add desktop app and you can browse it and add it. And the next step, click app settings, click install app, scroll down, search for Minecraft launcher, click the three dot icon on the right hand side and click advanced option, scroll down. You have seen the repair setting is there. Repair and reset, click it. Once repair complete after, click reset settings and reset it. So after completing these two things, close it and come to the next step. Search for device manager and click display adapters. And you have the display adapters, you can scan for hardware changes. You can do it. Once completed the scan for hardware changes, click update driver. You can update the driver by using this method, or else go to the official website of the drivers and update and install the latest version. The next step, search for run and type the following text: percentage app data percentage. Click OK. After that, scroll down and check for Minecraft folder. Click it and delete the files inside the log folder. Come back and delete web cache. Once complete after, close it and restart it.